Abu Nuwas, from the 4th of the 8th month of 1446. Since time immemorial, art has had an exalted position. A lack of written tradition tends towards superior memorization. Poetical arts cemented the mental condition. Spiritual messages came through in a way to prove distinction. The ever controversial Abu Nuwas exalted the inferior and forbidden. Criminal as well, his exile didn't deny the opportunity of Abu Tamam al Mutanabi and even al Ma'ari to give their reflections to and of society. I made my way quickly through the last three, and there were some others that I could have included, but Abu Allah al Ma'ari was known as an atheist. Upon talking to such individuals, I don't think that I've ever encountered an atheist, but certainly dude was irreligious and was of a sort that he was pessimistic. He didn't, the decline in his mother's health left him ungrateful for other things. And his criticism, our complaints about religion, didn't seem to leave it only on one religion. He wasn't just criticizing Islam. And because Islam has no blasphemy laws, this sort of stuff went on. And he was a vegan in a time where it just wasn't socially acceptable to be a vegan. Now, you don't have to have meat all the time. It was actually considered wrong in the Islamic vision to eat meat every day. You know, aside from, okay, here's the holiday, or there's only meat left, etc., etc. Tamam ibn Amr ibn Ahmed ibn Ghalib ibn Tamam ibn al-Qama al-Thaqafi al-Wazir, like a number of these individuals, was, a high official. And that's where they, got their position. And he, passed on information from the Vikings and stuff. So a lot of these poets, not only were they directing values, but they were composing histories and reworking claims of history. Alfred Tennyson, for example, he wrote about King Arthur's knights and all that. And Abu Tayyib Ahmed ibn al-Hussein al-Mutanabi al-Kindi was known as a proverbial sort of poet. And his poetry stands out in its sayings. But definitely he comes off more flowery than some of the other thinkers. And Abu Nuwas definitely had some experience with what wasn't allowed and avoided punishment because the Abbasid Caliphate wasn't exactly Islamic when it came to its punishments or what it required of the people close to the things. They probably held the little punishments for the rest of the people, but eventually he had to leave because he just did too much, right?